Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage auto power off a timer on a JVC Smart TV. To do this, first we'll need to click on the settings button in the top right corner of our screen, then scroll down to device preferences. Here select the timer. Now make sure that the power on time type is set to on. Then we can go back and on the bottom there's power off time type, and we can also switch it on and off. Let's turn it on in this case, and we can adjust our auto power off timer like that. And you also, if you want to switch it off, click on power off time type and switch it to off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.